Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by fixing the basics that actually impact video sharpness. First, clean the lens and remove any obstructing case, because smudges and blocks create softness. Then open Snapchat and make sure memories and upload quality are set to high so the app stores full resolution clips. Once done, switch to a stable 4G/5G or Wi-Fi connection. Low bandwidth forces heavy compression. These steps prepare your device and app, so the recordings keep detail before you move to app and camera settings. Next, you adjust the app and camera because Snapchat relies on both. Use the rear camera for better sensors. In your phone settings, select the highest available camera resolution and frame rate. This gives you more pixels to start with. Make sure Snapchat has camera, mic, and background refresh permissions so it can process and upload full files. Then disable Data Saver in Snapchat and choose Best Quality Uploads. These changes stop automatic downscaling and preserve the native recording quality when sending or saving. Finish by verifying the end-to-end result and knowing what to do if it fails. Record a short clip, save it to camera roll, and compare that original to the Snapchat export so you can see whether the app or phone caused degradation. If Snapchat still compresses badly, clear the app cache or reinstall it. This fixes corrupted settings. If problems persist, test on another device to isolate hardware issues and then contact support with a sample clip. Include device model, OS, and network details for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.